When writing a lowercase letter in cursive style, always start at the bottom line. To write H, go all the way up, then back down, bounce up again, around and down. Let's see how this looks in a word. Hat is written like this. Behind is written like this. Capital letters always start at the top. To write capital H, draw a line down, then another line next to it, then join them up in the middle with a straight line. The word hat with a capital H is written like this. Capital letters never join with the rest of the word.